So after looking at the product side and the customer side, by this point you should have a good idea of how to describe your product or service in a simple yet understandable way, which is something that you will achieve when you write down your product description and answer those 5 questions that we talked about in the product side section. Then you will also have a good idea of the main features and benefits of your product or service, and you'll also be able to pinpoint the big benefit, that is the main selling point of your product or service, the main USP that you want to convey to your audience. And you'll also know who your customers are and what matters to them. तो हमने प्रोडक्ट साइड और कस्टमर साइड जितनी भी अभी तक कंसिडर की है, दैट विल ले द फाउंडेशन ऑफ योर कॉपी. बट नाउ वी वांट टू लर्न how to make your readers come to your copy and want to read it. And that is something that you do with strong headlines. So your headlines are what will grab the attention of your audience and can make or break your copy. It doesn't matter whether you are writing for ads, for a website, for Facebook posts or landing pages. आपकी जो भी headline होगी किसी भी पेज की, that is meant to convince your readers to come on your copy and read through it and give you a chance to make them an offer. So there are 3 keys to attention grabbing headlines when it comes to copywriting. Pehla, your headlines should be unique. It shouldn't be something basic. It shouldn't be something that has been done many times before. Try to stand out from the crowd and sell your products with unique and attention grabbing headlines. Bring your own unique touch to it. एक different approach से product को present करें to your audience so that they can have something different and new in front of them. Then your headlines should be extremely specific. आपकी हेडलाइन में आप इधर उधर की बातें नहीं करेंगे. इट नीड्स टू वेरी डायरेक्टली कन्वे टू योर ऑडियंस कि आप क्या ऑफर कर रहे हैं एंड व्हाट विल दे रिसीव फ्रॉम योर प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस. सो डोंट यूज जेनेरिक और एम्बिगुअस फ्रेजेस. Be very specific about it and describe what your potential customers will get. Thirdly, your headline should convey a sense of urgency. The key to grabbing your audience's attention is to create a sense of urgency so that they feel like there's no other option but to read your copy. So make your audience think about what they'll lose if they don't take immediate advantage of your product or service. There's a concept of fear of missing out, जो human nature का एक part होती है. So when we do copywriting, we make full use of that. We want to convey to the reader that they can actually prevent lagging behind or missing out on something if they go for our product or service. So इसकी examples हैं, are your customers losing clients? Are they missing out on potential social opportunities? इस तरह के जो fears होते हैं of catching up to other people in society, capitalize on these fears of your target audience. This is called the fear of missing out. And if you do that, your headlines will successfully help your copy convert. Because at the end of the day, people want to have what they're told they cannot have. If you show them something that other people are having and they might not currently have, or they have a chance of losing out on it, so that will go a long way when it comes to convincing your audience. The 4th step is writing persuasive copy. Like I said before, copywriting isn't always about writing well, it's about writing persuasively. Persuasive writing is an art that you should practice every day, and not only in writing, but you should even practice with your friends or any other people that you interact with, because ये आपको सिर्फ copywriting में help नहीं करेगी. In fact, when you reach out to your clients, when you reach out to potential employees, तब भी आपको persuasive writing बहुत help करेगी. So there are some tricks that you can use to convert traffic into paying customers for your brand. सबसे पहले, whenever you're writing any sort of proposal or sales pitch or copy, start with your value proposition. You only have 15 seconds in the beginning when anyone reads your copy, so use them wisely. Clearly state कि आप क्या value offer कर रहे हैं to your potential customer. And keep things very simple and very clear cut, and don't assume कि आपके readers को पता होगा what you're talking about or what you're offering. They don't know anything. This is your first time talking to them, so you need to be very clear about what exactly it is that you're giving them and why you are approaching them. Keep your value proposition short, simple and clear, and try to condense your product value down to a few words. आपके प्रोडक्ट की जो भी वैल्यू आपको लगती है कि आपके कस्टमर्स को मिलेगी, in your copy you have a very limited number of words, or at least you should aim to have very short, sweet, clear cut copy. तो इसमें try to condense your product value to a few simple words. और इसकी ये एक example है, drive customers to your website. This is one benefit that your potential customers will get. Draw customers to your front door. This is also something that your potential customers will value. So हमने literally सिर्फ 5 words में अपने target customers को बताया है कि what benefit they will get if they use our product. So once you present your value proposition, after that right away quickly come to the benefits. आपने वैल्यू प्रपोज कर दी है कि उनको क्या वैल्यू मिलेगी. नाउ कम टू द बेनिफिट्स, बिकॉज बाय दिस पॉइंट योर रीडर्स आर आस्किंग कि व्हाट्स इन इट फॉर मी, कि मुझे इस ऑफर से क्या मिलेगा एग्जैक्टली. सो जंप राइट इनटू द बेनिफिट्स दैट दे विल गेट, so that later on you can talk about the features of your product or service and how they will give your customers these benefits. जब आपकी ऑडियंस को पता होगा कि आपके प्रोडक्ट के क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं उनको, तो बाद में जब आप अपने प्रोडक्ट के स्पेसिफिक फीचर्स उनको बताएंगे, तब इट विल बी रियली ईजी फॉर यू to convince them on the product, because they will already have an idea of all of the benefits that they're going to get with the product. So telling them about the features is simply going to be like an add-on, because then they'll be able to see कि exactly इन features से मुझे ये वाले benefits मिलेंगे. So remember, it's always benefits over features. Benefits are more important than features and they should always be mentioned first in your products. कई copywriters की गलती होती है, they think that features should be highlighted before talking about the benefits, but that's not an order that you should follow. Psychologically जब हम एक customer viewpoint से copy पढ़ते हैं, तो keeping the benefits before the features is something that has a better chance of leading to conversions. So cover the benefits before you cover the features and explain how your product fulfills a need or desire of your customer and how will the customer's life be better after they take up your offer. हमेशा with your copy or with any content that you write from a sales perspective, आपका aim हमेशा ये होना चाहिए कि आप अपने customers के mind में sort of एक picture बनाएं कि उनकी life कैसे better होगी once they start using your product or your service. Now this is a very good example of this. Save time and streamline your work. This is the benefit that your customers are getting. इसके बाद हमने बात की है Moz Pro deciphers the data so you don't have to. So even in this point we're telling them कि our software does this for you ताकि you don't have to. This is very important. So you don't have to directly tell your reader that this is how their life will be better. This is the ease and convenience that they will get by using your product. So it's always about making them visualize how their life will change for the better after they avail your offer. So हम जब benefits की बात करते हैं, there are 3 main types of benefits that you should cover in your copy. There are tangible benefits, जिसमें फिजिकल बेनिफिट्स आते हैं, प्रूवेबल और मेजरेबल बेनिफिट्स. इसमें फॉर एग्जांपल वेट लॉस से रिलेटेड प्रोडक्ट है, सो दैट इज समथिंग दैट हैज़ टैंजिबल बेनिफिट्स. सो मेक देम रियल एंड विविड इन द रीडर्स माइंड. अगर कोई टैंजिबल बेनिफिट है आपके प्रोडक्ट का, तो मेक इट वेरी क्लियर एंड वेरी रियलिस्टिक सो दैट योर कस्टमर्स कैन राइट अवे सी कि मुझे इस प्रोडक्ट से ये बेनिफिट मिलेगा. Then there are the intangible benefits. So these are emotional or psychological benefits that cannot be measured, and you can link these to the reader's concerns. So here we're playing on consumer psychology. हमने emotional trigger words की बात की थी. So when there are intangible benefits to your product or service, so it is important that you show to your customers कि वो किस तरह के emotional state में enter हो सकते हैं once they avail your offer. Then there are the commercial benefits. Now these are the benefits that you offer to other companies or agencies. So companies buy things that are good for their business. So when you're highlighting such benefits, show why the reader's firm needs the product or service. The best example of this is that if you're pitching your software to a startup company, so with your copy you should be able to show to them how their company will benefit, how they will grow with your product. So to summarize all of this, tangible benefits may we can talk about the price, the quality of the product, the value of the product, the speed of delivery, the convenience, the ease of use. Intangible benefits may we are focusing on the sensory pleasures. So is your product nice to look at? Is it nice to taste, smell, hear, or touch? We can also focus on our target audience's self-esteem, their personal attractiveness, coolness, novelty. इस तरह के benefits जब हम उनको offer करेंगे which are personal in nature and they're more emotional and they have a more psychological impact, so that is more likely to convert them into buying customers for your product. And commercial benefits are always meant to either reduce costs or save time, make more money, or beat the competition and gain customers. So, these are all of the points that you can mention in your copy. And the reason for telling you about all of these different types of benefits at this point is ताकि आप कॉपी लिखने से पहले ही अपना एंगल डिसाइड कर सकें कि आपने अपने प्रोडक्ट को या अपनी ऑफर को किस एंगल से अप्रोच करना है एंड हाउ डू यू वांट योर कस्टमर्स टू कंज्यूम द कॉपी दैट यू आर गिविंग देम. Then, after you're done highlighting the benefits, now it's time to explain the features. So, this is where we're telling our customers what's in the box. Now they know what you're offering and how it's going to benefit them. So, it's time to break down the features of the product or service into bullet points or concise sections. Now, these are two examples of different landing pages. Keep in mind कि benefits की हमने already बात कर ली है. So, after the potential buyer knows about the benefits that they're going to receive, these are the features that they will see. So, you can see how we've defined each feature and we've broken it down into a few short words. Each feature की छोटी सी हमने एक description दे दी है so that it is easier for our prospective buyers to wrap their heads around the benefits that each feature will give to them. Once you're done with all of those 4 steps, आपने product side देख ली, आपने consumer side देख ली, आपने strong headlines लिख ली जिससे आपके target customers को आप अपनी copy पे ले आए, then you wrote persuasive copy. Now, by the end of your copy, there needs to be a call to action जो right away आपके readers को बता रहा है कि this is what they need to do next. So once your readers understand what your product is and know the benefits and features, you want to tell them what they can do next. This is your call to action. Once again, keep this very simple and very direct. यहाँ पे you won't use any long sentences. This is only going to be one simple button. It's going to be a link जिस पे आपके buyers click करेंगे so that they can be redirected to the offer page. So get started, reserve your seat, get your consultation. These are all calls to action. And इसमें you can make use of any additional offers जो आप दे रहे हैं. So for example, if you're offering something for free, if you're offering something instantly or at a discounted rate, so be sure to let your customers know about this by adding this in your CTA. So for example, book your free consultation today, get started right away. इस तरह के calls to action can compel your audience even more to click on that button ताकि they can be redirected to your sales page. So ये सारे 5 steps जब आप करेंगे, understanding the product side, understanding the consumer side, writing headlines, writing persuasive copy and mentioning a call to action, these 5 steps will ensure that you write copy that converts potential buyers into paying customers.